Hi everyone, welcome to this morning's assembly, which is going to be on joy. So we're going to be talking about our next Shine Like Stars, which is joy. Harry and Fynn are here today at the back. Finn's yawning a little bit there, just woken up, but he's going to get with it today. So we're going to talk about joy. Just a reminder that tomorrow we're going to talk about World Earth Day, and then on Thursday is St George's Day. Very exciting. A big thank you to Sophie and to Toby as well, who have created these fact files. They sent me these yesterday as they asked on my assembly video. Absolutely brilliant. We are going to use them tomorrow during World Earth Day, but a big thank you to Sophie and to Toby for sending those through. We are going to use them. They are printed off there, so thank you too. So today we're talking about joy as one of our shining light stars. Now, joy is quite important in Christianity and in the Christian religion, because around Christmas time we do talk about joy as one of the candles leading up to Advent, up to the birth of Jesus, because that's a very exciting time, a very joyful time for Christians. But we're going to talk a little bit about joy today at this time of year, because there's lots of joyous things. Although things are difficult and we're having to stay inside, there's lots of joyous things around us at this time. It's springtime and there's lots of nice things happening. So I'd just like you to, if you want to pause the video and ask this question now, and I'm going to ask Harry and Fynn in a minute, Harry in particular, about what is the difference, and we're going to talk about hares and rabbits. So what is the difference between a hare and a rabbit? So if you want to stop the video now and ask the children what the difference might be. Okay, so I'm going to ask Harry. Harry, what do you think are the difference? Give me a difference between a hare and a rabbit.
Hares are bigger and I think they can jump higher.
Hares are bigger. They are usually bigger. Hares are usually bigger than rabbits, and they can jump higher because they've got bigger back legs usually than the normal rabbit. Anything else? Do you know anything, Finn? No, we're not sure. Well, hares, there's lots of other things as well, so I don't say all of them here. Hares do change colour during the year. They can change colour. They're usually slightly bigger, have bigger back legs, and longer ears usually than rabbits. So there's some differences. If you've got more, it's great. You can put them in the comments. You can talk about those as well. But the reason I wanted to talk about hares today is because they show some joy. So joy is a little bit more than just happiness. Although happiness is important, joy is excitement. It's more than excitement. And I thought hares are quite good because the saying about March hares comes from the fact that hares get very excited this time of year. So have you heard of the saying, as mad as a March hare? That's where it comes from. It comes from this. I'm going to show you a quick video now of some hares who are getting very excited and playing. They're not fighting, they're playing with each other around March time. And this is where that saying, as mad as a March hare, comes from. Okay, so there's two boxing hares, and that's where the saying "as mad as a March hare" come from. At this point, you can stop the video, and if you type in lambs jumping, you can see the joy of lambs jumping around during springtime as well, and that shows great joy. They're not fighting there; they're playing with each other, showing joy. They reckon that is part of some mating rituals from hares there, but that's where the saying comes from. So joy is being very, very, very excited. There was a recent advert on telly where a girl got given lots of different gifts and went to lots of different places. She was screaming with excitement and joy, and that is joy. It's the excitement of something. It's feeling that excitement inside. So we're going to ask Harry and Fynn what gives them great joy now. Harry and Fynn, so if you want to stop here and you want to ask the children what gives them great joy, which makes them happy, which makes them scream with excitement and joy as well. Harry, what joy do you have? What do you like?
When I get shiny Pokemon.
when you get a shiny Pokemon. Excellent, so Harry likes to get a shiny Pokemon. That gives him great joy. It makes him excited. Finn, what gives you excitement?
Playing with Rocket.
Playing with Rocket. Rocket's our dog. Is Rocket going to come?
Rocket! Come
Rocket?
on,
Here he comes now. And Finn loves, there he is. Hello, Rocket. So Finn loves playing with Rocket, and so does Harry. It gives him great joy. Maybe it doesn't give Daddy as much joy, but it gives Finn and Harry lots of joy, and there he is playing with his ball. He's been relatively good and calm, actually, Rocket there, but Finn loves, and it gives him great joy. And I'm sure your pets as well, whatever they are, rabbits, dogs, cats, I'm sure horses, I know lots of you have horses, give you great joy as well. So you can get joy from animals and joy from all around us. Okay, so today's assembly has been on joy and the excitement of joy. We're just going to make you think a little bit more of that. Harry and Finn are going to come and help me with this particular part. But right, Finn, throw Rocket's ball down, you can go and play. That's straight to the camera. Come on, Finn, let's pick up your sign. So, today, what we want you to do is to think about joy, and we're going to just give you a little bit. We're going to hold up the letters. Finn, turn your letter around for me, pal. Good lad. Harry.
Just. J is for just.
J is for just. Finn.
O for open.
Open. R is for open. And Y is for your. So just open your
Eyes.
Just open your eyes. And what I want you to do today, I know we are inside, but we are going for maybe a half an hour walk. We're going outside into the garden. It's a lovely day looking at outside. I want you to think of the joys around you within your house, the joys in your family, the joys around us in the environment, nature. Thinking about World Day. Joy fits in really well with World Day tomorrow because you can just lie in your garden, look at the sky and think of the joys of the things that are around us. There's lots of maybe worrying things happening at the moment, but there's still a lot of joy, and we need to think about that at this moment in time as well. Thank you, boys. Go and sit down. So just open your eyes. That's what I'd like you to do today. So the PowerPoint, as usual, is on the website. I have got a couple of quotes today about joy. Joy does not simply happen to us. We have to choose joy and keep choosing it every day. So it doesn't just... You sort yourself out, Phil. It's fine. Joy doesn't just happen to us. We've got to keep choosing to be joyful, choosing joy every day. And the second one is joy is not in things, it is in us. So joy is not in buying things, of going out getting things, it's within us ourselves as well. So there's a couple of quotes on there as well about joy. Okay, so just finishing up today. We're just going to finish up with our school prayer. So I want you to think about the joyous things that are around you. So in these difficult times, to think about all the things that you really, really like and that excite you and that are brilliant as well. So we're going to do our school prayer. Hands to your eyes, boys. Thank you very much. This is our school. Let love live here. Love for one another, love for mankind, and love of life itself. Let us remember that as many hands build a house, so many hearts make a school. Amen. Okay, so that's our joy assembly. Tomorrow we're going to be looking at the world around us, and we're going to be on Thursday doing a little bit about St. George's Day as well. So Rocket's here, the boys are here. You want to say bye, boys?
Bye bye.
See you tomorrow. Bye everyone, have a great day. Have a lovely day, and I'll see you tomorrow.